Having liens on your home can feel like a hurdle that you can never overcome. A lot of people go through it all the time. In this video right here, I'm going to give you the two types of liens that you can have on your home and what those type of liens can actually do to your home and how you could possibly get over having these liens. Before I do that, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share to anybody that you know that might be going through this situation or someone that might be interested in it. So the first type of lien that you can have on your home is called a consensual lien. And basically what this is just like a mortgage. So it's either first position or second position mortgage on your home, and it basically will end up with you being in foreclosure if you don't pay these liens. The second type of lien is called a non-consensual lien. And what this typically is tax related, where the creditor has a secure interest on your home. So that means when you go to sell your home, they'll actually get profits of that sale, and they can kind of force the sale sometimes as well. Now, just like with any other debt, if you have liens on your home, usually you can reach out to that creditor and work out some type of payment plan. But if you waited too long and the payment plans aren't an option anymore, then the best bet will be just to sell the home. So if you are going through this, or if you know someone that is going through this, I know that you're tired of the harassing calls and the creditors calling and telling you that they need their money, they're gonna sue you, they're gonna take your home, X, Y, and Z. Then reach out to us today. We work with homeowners that go through this situation all the time. We can make it nice and simple and help you move forward. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com.